22.
Candidate number 22, your question is, sa murang edad mo, paano mo may papakita kung gaano ka katatag sa pagharap sa mga suliranin? Sa murang edad mo, paano mo may papakita kung gaano ka katatag sa pagharap sa mga suliranin?
Magandang gabi po muna sa inyong lahat. Bagamat pinag-aaralan po natin at nagdiriwang natin ngayong gabi ang linggo ng wika, mas nais ko po sana kung mamarapatin nyo ay sumagot po ako sa wikang banyaga dahil mas na-express ko po youth is the symbol of hope. Youth is the symbol of the country's future. Nation building lies on the hands of these future leaders. My father taught me something. If ever you have problems, you should have one conclusion in life. Compete not with others, but compete with yourself. And this has been my principal conduct and should be applied to all the youth. That every time we step out of our comfort zone, we should never stop competing ourselves through the success and failures that we have encountered. And of course, as a responsible citizen, to all of us, we should hold and embellish morality that will not only develop ourselves, but will benefit the whole youth as well. Magandang gabi po at maraming salamat.